am from Angel Laser Instrument. My name is Gaurang. We have recently launched our new ultrasonic model. The model is completely made in India. You will get three features in it, like there is a digital display for temperature, then the timer, then there are three modes for it. For vibration, this is the normal mode. Here you can see check the vibration in the normal mode. Then there's a second function, it's called PHME. The vibration get little more in this. Again you can see that the vibration is more from the normal mode. Then the third feature for this is the degazing technology. The degazing technology is like that. You can see that the ultra gets 1 second, 2 seconds off, and then again it's get on. So the degazing technology is for the dust to remove completely from the small particles behind the diamond and ore. So we give these three modes in a one ultrasonic function, and it's a very easy to use, and the results are also very best. This is our newly launched model for laser solder, laser welding, we can say. The model consists of 200 watt laser power, and it's an inbuilt cooling system. The machine is very easy to operate, and the precision of the machine is very good. We can solder any metal like gold, silver, brass, copper, and the accuracy is also very good. It's our Angel Laser Instrument laser marking engraving machine. The machine is of 50 watt. You can cut it any metal like gold, silver, brass, copper from it. The machine is very easy to use. There are multiple functions in it, like you can mark, you can engrave it, and you can cut it. We have also given the rotary function in it, in which you can put the bangle or ring, and you can do the rotary work from it. The rotary work is very much in trend now, so this is the latest machine, and it's very easy to use, and it's very eco-friendly. Thank you. After a long back, Sparkle came back after the coronavirus. So it was a great pleasure, and we are very excited about it that the show is going physical. And again, it's the first jewelry show in India that is take place, first physical show. So we are extremely excited, and the footfalls are also this time is very good due to the other last shows. So we are really greedily happy for it.